Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine and fit at your home. So students, today we will continue our exercise 4.3 and hope all of you have practices till the question number 6 and you have understood. So you do that and revise all the questions at your home, alright? And today we will continue our exercise 4.3 and we will do now from the question number 7 onwards. So see the questions. So students, all of you take out your page number 23 and see that from question number 7, that is given how many toys will be there in 1085 boxes if one box of toys contains 721 toys. Alright, so toys, may all of you know you have toys at your home, yes or no students? Yes, obviously you used to play or not with the toys. So if you have five toy and you can keep in one box, okay? And if I will ask you how many toys can you keep in two box, how many you can keep? Five. In one box you can keep five toys. So how many toys you can keep in the two boxes, students? So you can easily say it will be 2 into 5, that means 10 toys, yes or no? So same way we will apply it in our question number 7, okay students? So just your number of the product will be large, alright? So solution, you can see number of toys contained in one box, it is 721. See students, you can make the statement in your own way also, okay? So number I have written here like this, alright? So number of toys contained in 1085 boxes is equal to, you have to multiply it. 1085 multiplied by 721, we have got this result. And multiplication work, that is I have shown here, you have to show in your copy, maintain the working column, then you show the multiplication work, okay students? Then after multiplication by this 1085 by 1, we have got the same result. Then 2, we have got 2170. Then after we have to multiply with 7, that means we have got this result. So after this all adding, we have got this result. That means it is 7,82,285. Okay student, so there will be 7,82,285 toys in 1085 boxes. Okay students, I hope this is clear to you now how to solve the this problem, okay? So now see the question number 8, that is 7,859 visitors visited the Taj Mahal on a particular day. That means in a day visitors are visited Taj Mahal. All of you know where it is located, in Agra. So all of some of the student peoples are visiting every day there. So this much they have taken one a particular day, that means on a fixed day, this much visitors. So how many visitors will visited in a year in the number of visitors per day taken, as if the per day taken as this much. So now per means one day, per means in one day. So we know that, and we have to find out about the, so we have to find out the in a year number of, we have to calculate it in a year. So we know that, all of you know, in a year how many days are there? 365 days in a, if it is a non-leap year, and if it is a leap year then it will be 366, but we will count as a non-leap year. So we know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. So we will count now number of visitors the Taj Mahal in a day. In a day means we will, or per day means same, it is means one day. So one day 7,859, and number of visitors visited the Taj Mahal in 365 days. You have to say 7,859 multiplied by 365. So after multiplying, this multiplication work I have shown here. So after multiplying, we have got this result, 2 crore. That means, it is 28 lakhs 68,535. Okay students, so this much visitors will visit in a year. Alright students, I hope this is clear to you now how to do. And now we'll move to our question number 9. That is, our question number 9 is, what will be the cost of 23 cars if the cost of a car is this much? That means 7,85,250. So cost of one car is given. Suppose you will buy, your father is used to buy, and you have car. Almost of the students, your father have car or not. So if the car cost is, suppose it is 5,000, suppose I'm saying it's 5,000. So if you will buy one car cost, if you will buy 2 cars, then cost will be what you will do, you will multiply or not. So same, then it will be 10,000. So same way we will apply here also, but there the number is different. So here it will be 23 cars, and there it is 7,85,250. Just it will be a large number and product will be large. Okay students, so see here. Solution, the cost of one car is this much, and then cost of 23 car will be, we have to multiply with both the two numbers. And after multiplying, we have got this result. So it is the 1,80,60,750. Okay, then cost of the 23 cars will be 1,80,60,750, and then multiplication work I have shown here. So you will just have to do in your copy. Okay, this is clear to you now. Now see the question number 10. Question number 10 is, a newspaper contains 185 columns. Each column contains 120 lines, and each line has 32 letters. How many letters are there in the newspaper? So it is, so students, that means a newspaper contains how many columns are there? 185, and each column contains 120 lines, and each line has 32 letters. So actually there are two parts. At first you can find out the number of each column is given. So at first you can find out the number of lines, then you can find out the number of letters. As it is the number of columns also given, each column contains 120 lines, then we can find out the number of letters in the newspaper. So you can do this problem in two ways. At first you can find out the number of, like I have shown here. Solution, we will do like this. At first, one column contains 120 lines, and 120 lines, one column contains 120, one column contains each means 1. So one column contains 120 lines. Then 185 column contains, that means how many? 185 column is there, so how many it will be? 185 multiplied by 120, so it will be the number of lines. So after multiplying here, students, we have got this result. That means, and see students, you all have, as you know how to multiply now, that's why I am not explaining the multiplication work, and you can do it by yourself, the multiplication work. Just I am showing the statement how to make. Okay, so you write in your copy within the working column make and multiplication work you have to show although. Okay, so after multiplying we have got this result. Let's see, 22,200 lines. So now second part means what we have to do now. Now the number of letters in one line is 32. See, each line has 32 letters. That means each means one. One line has 32 letters. So number of letters in this means total lines is there how many? 22,200. So 22,200 lines how many you have to multiply? So it will be 22,200 multiplied by 32. We have got, see here students, so we have multiplication work I have shown here. So after multiplying by 2 0, then 0, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, then 2 2 is 4, and this cross, then 3 0 0 0, and 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6. So 0 plus 0 4, 6 plus 4 10, 0 1 will carry forward. So 4 and 6 10 plus 1 11, 1 will carry forward to here. So plus 1 plus 6 7. So it is our product. So that means our result is 7,10,400. Okay, so this is the number of, actually the number of letters in the newspaper. And this way, that means there are this much 7,10,400 letters in the newspaper. So this way also you can do, and one more way you can do, like, so students, one more way, second way we can do this way also. Okay, suppose number of letters in a line is 32. So number of letters in 120 line is there, so we will count at first in 120 lines. So number of letters in 120 lines, it is, if we will multiply with 120 into 32, we will get this result, 3,840. So now second line, what we will do, number of letters are there in one column is this much, 3,840. So number of letters are there in 185 column. So if we will multiply this result with 185, so we will get this much. So this is the number of letters. So if any way you will do, you will get the same number of letters in the newspaper. Okay students, and statement you can make in your way also, and you can do this way also. If which one you will like, you prefer, that one you will do. Okay, and one is this way. So I have written here like this. Okay students, I hope this is clear to you now how to solve the word problems in multiplication. Okay, this much for today practice. Okay, still bye.